Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to put date and time on your Instagram story. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, we're just gonna open the Instagram application. And once you've opened, you're just gonna go home and swipe to the right to gain access to the camera of Instagram. And once you're there, you can now take a photo or shoot a video or whichever you like to upload on your story. But in this video, I will just use a blank one. And once done shooting or taking a photo, you're going to be transferred to the editing screen. And in this screen, on the top right part of your screen, you will see that you can add text, a sticker, effects, and an ellipsis icon. And to add a day, you're just going to tap on the sticker icon on the top right part of your screen, and you will be presented with this set of stickers. And as you can see, there are different stickers, and you just need to scroll down for a bit, and you can also see that you can add a day of when you're going to upload your story. And to add it, you're just going to tap on the sticker that you'd like to add. As you can see, there are 3 options, but I'm going to choose this one, and it will be on the photo that you've uploaded. And you can edit it, put it whatever you like. I'm just going to put it there. And to add a time, I'm just going to tap on the sticker icon again. And as you can see, there is the time icon there, or the time sticker. Just gonna tap it to add it to your story. And edit it again. Put it wherever you like. And sadly, there is no date sticker here, but you can also add a date by tapping on the text icon and putting on the date. Let me see, what's the date today? It's May 27 of 2023. And once done, just go back, and also on the text, you can also drag it to wherever you want, and you can also zoom in and zoom out. As you can see, we now have a date on our story. And once you're done editing, adding the date, day, and time, you're just gonna tap on your story to upload it to your story. And to check for your story, you're just gonna head to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. As you can see, there is an outline on my profile picture. Let's go ahead and check by tapping it, and the story is now there. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.